How to open account on USAA Bank. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open the USAA application on your device. Make sure the app is fully loaded and further choose Join USAA and then tap on the Get Started button. Now, choose whether you are a USAA member or not and tap on Next. If you click Yes, choose your preferred verification method. You can use your USAA or Social Security number to verify your account and then tap on Next. Now, enter your first name, last name, suffix, date of birth, country of citizenship, USAA number or Social Security number on the next page, and once done, tap on Next. Further, follow the on-screen prompts to create a password and register for online banking. So this is how you can open an account on USAA Bank. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do subscribe to our channel for more contents like this. Thank you for staying with us until the end.